9-2, we're going to draw and identify and translation of an image in the coordinate plane. Number 4, it asks the vertex of triangle DEF are D 2, 5, E 6, 3, and F 4, 0. You're going to translate that triangle DEF using that given vector. Then you're going to graph DEF and its new image. Okay, so A, B, C, and D have all the same images. So let's label that first here. So the original image, it's going to be D is at 2, 5. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is letter D. Then E is at 6, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then we have 4, 0. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is E. Right? No, sorry, this is F, and this is E. Okay, so now I'm going to connect it. Right? So this is my pre-image that I'm going to have. Okay? Notice this is the same image for all the other problems. So all I'm going to do to save some time is I'm just going to paste this over. Okay? So hang on a minute. All right, we are back here. So I just copied the image over here and just gave myself a little bit more room. So again, remember, right, you can always graph this on an extra sheet of paper if the image that we give you goes off the grid, okay? All right, so what does 4, 0 mean? Okay, this means that it's gonna go 4 right and 0 up or down. Okay, because the first value is for right or left, and that second value is for your y, which is up and down. So we're gonna move this 4 to the right. So let's just count this. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is gonna be the new point of D prime, and then this is going to be how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's gonna be off because it's off the grid. So it's E prime here. And then F is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is going to be F prime. Okay. Now then just connect it. Okay. There you go. Good. And there you go. So that would be the pre-image, and the new image here, which is labeled prime, is after that translation of this vector. Let's take a look at B here. What does this mean? So that first 0 means 0 left or right, and that -1 means 1 down, because negative means down for that second one. So the second value is referred to the y coordinate, how that changes, and -1 means it goes down for that. Okay, so let's grab this and move everything down 1. So here I'm going to move this down 1, this down 1, and this down 1. So the new point here, which is going to be labeled D prime, this one is going to be called E prime, and this one is going to be called F prime. And now let's connect it. There you go. That's how the image looks like after it got translated 0, -1 in that vector. Okay. Next, let's look at 3, 5. What does that mean? For the first value is referred to how it changes in the x coordinate. So this means positive, so it's 3 to the right. +5 means it's going to be 5 up. Okay, so let's do that. 3 to the right, so it's 1, 2, 3, and 5 up. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. E, same thing here. 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is now going to be called D prime. This one was 3 to the right, 5 up for E, so that becomes E prime. F went 3 to the right, 5 up, so this is going to be called F prime here. Now we can connect it. D, E, F, and there you go. So this is that vector 3 comma 5. So 3 right, 5 units up. Let's take a look at letter D here. It is -2 comma -5 as that vector. So what does that mean? It means you are going to go down 2 down, because that negative means down for the x value. Down -4, that means, sorry, not down. It's for the x value. So 2 to the left, okay? And then -4 means for down, because that's for the y, okay? So the first one is for your x, so left and right. Your second one is for your y, right? Positive is up, negative means down. So let's grab the points and move them. So D, it is left 2, 1, 2, down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. E, same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, sorry, 1, 2. 1, 2, down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. F, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's label it now. This is D prime. We move D 2 to the left, 4 down. E 2 to the left, 4 down. E F 2 to the left, 4 down. And now we connect it. D E F. Boom, there you go. That is how it looks like. So there you go. That is how you translate the pre-image given the vectors.